Hi, my name is Cheryl with expertvillage.com, and today we're talking about black bean salsa and making a really delicious batch of this. One of the things we want to talk about today is there are 7 key foods that you need to learn how to cook that would sustain you in a long-term emergency. If you could not get to the store for a day, a week, or even a month, would you have food in your home that you had to store that would sustain your family with all the nutrients and minerals that you needed? And I'm going to tell you really quick what those 7 key foods are and how this black bean salsa plays an important part in an emergency food. First of all, again, there are 7 key foods. I don't have one of them because we're not using them today, but that is whole grains. That would be like wheat, barley, oats, rice, whole grains. Another one that we are using today is legumes or beans. And this here happens to be a pinto bean, and right down here is a black bean. And we're using the black bean today. So any type of beans. The third ingredient that is really key is salt, then oil, water, powdered milk, and sugar or honey. And we'll talk more about that, how the black bean salsa plays such an important part.